Welcome back, learners. So in the previous lecture we were discussing about the finalizing the reinforcement details of the columns and footings, and this is the last lecture on the final columns and footings. So in the next lecture we will start up the design of the beams. Now yesterday we have made a sheet that represents the footing numbers corresponding to the footing group numbers, its dimension. Now we are supposed to write the corresponding column numbers here. Now therefore let us do that. This is actually, I am starting from this. This is actually column number 68. It is written C. It is actually, it is column now, it is footing number 58. Okay, so this I am supposed to make it as F. Okay, so this is footing 68. Now let us give the footing 68 and let us write it here. So this will be the footing 68. Okay, so now in this footing 68, what is the corresponding column? Let us see. Right, so that means what is the corresponding column dimension of this? So therefore let us keep it in plan, let us keep it in elevation. Okay, so when I keep it in elevation, you can get, I have to get column number 17 and 18. Let's see, now it will come. So we are coming from back. Yes, so this is column number 17 and 18. Now what is the dimension of this? The dimension of this column, it is 9 inch into 1 feet 6 inch. Okay, so therefore corresponding footing is 68. Okay, corresponding footing is 68. So when I go to footing 68, the corresponding column number, I can give it as column number 17. I can give column number 17, and the corresponding longer span in feet. Okay, longer span in feet will be, so it is 1 feet 6 inches, and the shorter span will be 9 inches. Okay, the shorter span will be 9 inches. That corresponding reinforcement details, we will get it from that. So let us do that later. So therefore this is column number 68. So then after column number 68, here only you have column number 72. That is actually, it is footing number 72. I am making this as footing number 72. So then let us bring this here. Okay, so this is footing number 72, right? And so let us write this also. The corresponding is column number 17. So therefore let us write the dimension style. Okay, I can write this. So it is column number 17. Okay, yes. I can make it to okay, so this is corresponding column number 17. Okay, this is column number 17. So similarly I need here one more, which is column number, this is column number 18. Okay, so this will be, column number 18. You can see that this is the corresponding column number 18. So what is its dimension? So it is again 9 inch into 1 feet 6 inch. And what is the corresponding footing number? It is 72, right? So therefore 72, it is column number 18. So the same dimensions will be considered here also. Okay, yes, so that is about column number 72 and 68, corresponding column number 17 and 18. So once this is done, so let us go back to the next column. you can see that I have column 20, that is none other than this column. Okay, we have column we have to come front. Okay, so let us come. Yes, so this is column number 21 and 28. That is nothing but your corresponding this number. So that is footing, it is footing 80. This is footing 80, and for footing 80, what is the corresponding column number? It is column 21, footing 80, right? So if you see footing 80, column is 21. What about its dimension? It is again 1 feet 6 inch into 9 inch. That is this one only, longer span and shorter span. Okay, yes, that is column 80 and column number is 21. Therefore I can bring corresponding is column number 21. Okay, yes, corresponding column number 21. So then this is column number 16. So this is actually, it is footing number 116. Okay, footing number 116. So for that it is column number 28, 116. So column number 28, what is the corresponding dimension? It is again same. Therefore, yes, so this is that. So it is column number 28. Okay, so the corresponding is column number 28. Column number 28. Okay, yes. So then you have one individual column here, that is, if I go back, this we have done. Yes, this is nothing but your column number 20. Okay, so column number 20, so that is this one. So I have to bring it to here. So this is actually, it is footing 76. Okay, it is footing 76. Okay, footing 76. And for footing 76, what is the corresponding column? It is column 20. Footing 76, column 20. Footing 76, column 20, and the same dimension. Yes, same dimension. So it is now column 20. Column 20. Then next you have the 3 columns. So let us go to that now. So yes, so this is first is column 16, right? Yes, columns that is footing 64. Okay, it is footing 64, and corresponding is column 16. Corresponding is column 16. So footing 64 and 16, footing 64 and 16, footing number 64, corresponding is column 16. And what about its dimension? So dimension, I can get it, is again same. Okay, so it is again the same as that, it is this one only. Okay, yes. So then next you have is footing 60. have to make it as F60. Okay, F60. So what is the corresponding column that we have here? It is column 19. Okay, it is column 19. Column 19, it is 1 feet 6 inch into 1 feet 6 inch. Okay, we will do. So corresponding is column 19. Okay, yes. So here column 19, column 19. So F60 and corresponding is column 19. F60 corresponding is column 19. So it is 1 feet 6 inch into 1 feet 6 inch. That is F60. Okay. Then next you have is F112. F112. So for F112, what is the corresponding column? It is column 27. Okay, it is column 27. Column 27. Okay, so it is 112 and column 27. 112 column 27. So both will be of this same dimension here also. Okay, yes, that is column 27. So then after this you can see that you have next is 3 columns. Yes, so next will be column 11. Next will be column 11. Next will be column 11. Okay, so this is column, next will be column 11. Next will be column 11. So for 58 is column 11. 58 column 11. So the dimension is this. Okay, column 11. This is the corresponding dimension. Next you have is footing 52. Footing 52. Right. So for that, what is the column dimension? Sir, what is the column? It is column 13. Right, column 13. So corresponding is column 13. 52 column 13. Okay, yes, 52 column 13 and the dimension is this. Yes, this is the corresponding dimension. So the next you have is column 26. That is also same dimension, column 26. Okay, this will be F. This will be column 26. Okay, so column 59, for 59 it is 26. 59 it is 26. The dimension is this. Okay, the dimension is this. You can see it is 1 feet 6 inch to 1 feet 6 inch. So next after that you have 3 columns again. These 3. So next you have is column number 10. Okay, it is column number 10. column 10, 56, 10. Okay, for column 56 it is 10 and the dimension is this one. Okay, so this is the corresponding dimension. Then next you have is column 12, column 12, column 12, so 48, 12. So this is 48 corresponding column 12 and this will be the dimension. Okay, so the next you have, it is column 25, it is column 25, okay. Yeah, so this is for this will be F. This will be column 25. So for 57 it is 25, 57, 25. What is the corresponding dimension? It is, yes, so this is the corresponding dimension. So then next you have how many columns? You have 4 columns, right? You have 4 columns. So it is now column 6. What is the dimension? This is the dimension. Next is column 6. So this is F. Column 6. So 54 and 06. The dimension is 1 feet 6 inch into 1 feet 6 inch. 54, 06. Column number 54. Column number 54 corresponding for footing 54 corresponding is 06. So this is the corresponding dimensions of the column. Then next you have, it is column 28, that is nothing but it is footing 28. Footing 28, and for that the corresponding is column number 7. It is column number 7. Column number 7. Column number 7, and this is the corresponding dimension. Okay, so the next you have is footing 32. Footing 32, and the corresponding column will be column 8. Corresponding column will be column 8. It is 08. Dimension is this, that is 1 feet 6 inch into 9. 32, 08. column 32 it is 0.8. The corresponding dimension will be this one. Okay, yes. Okay, then next you can have footing number 55. Okay, footing number 55. So for that, what is the corresponding column? It is column 24. Column 24. Column 24. So 55, 24. So 1 feet into 9 inch. 55, 55, 24, 1 feet 9 inches. Okay, that is column 55. So the next after that you have two columns, and here remaining will be 3 columns. Column 30 for footing 35 and 36. Okay, so for footing 35 it is column 6. Okay, this is F. This is F. Okay, so this will be column 4 and column 3. The corresponding will be column 4 and column 3. Here, this will be column 4. This will be column 3. Okay, column 4 and column 3. So therefore for 35 it is 0.4. Okay, for 35 it is 0.4. It is 1 feet 6 inch into 9 inch. For 35 it is 0.4. Right, for 35 footing 35. Yeah, for 35 it is 0.4 and the dimension will be this one. Okay, and after that you have for 36 0.3. For 36 it is 0.3. This is the dimension for 36 0.3. 36 0.3. So again this will be the corresponding column dimension. So then next you have is column number 20, and for that it is column 5, footing 20. Footing 20. This will be column 5. Okay, for 20 it is column 5 of dimension this one. 20 it is column 5. 20 20. Sorry, not 20. What is the number? It is footing 20. 1 second. So we don't have footing 20 actually. Let's see. So then you have 34 and 53. That is footing 34. So for 34, let us see. Yes, column number 2 for 34, it is column number 2. Column number 2, and what is the corresponding dimension of that? It is 1 feet 6 inch by 1 feet 6 inch into 1 feet 6 inch. Okay, that is column number 2. Then next you have, it is 53. For that it is column number 1. Column number 1. 53, column number 1. 53, column number 1, and the corresponding dimension will be, it is 1 feet 6 inch into 9 inch, right? Okay, so this is okay. You have column 64, and yeah, so here there is nothing to be left. Here we have only column 64, and we have 50. I think somewhere we have made a mistake. Let us see now. So after this, do we have anything? No. Yes, I think this will be the corresponding one. So what is the load that we have here? Okay, this is 54, column number 5. Okay, that is this one. So it is written footing 20, right? I don't think so there is footing 20, it is footing 50. There is no any number called footing 20. Let's see, let us check once again, check here. Support reactions, if I check, yes, it is column number, it is footing 50, or even we will open the footing reinforcement details also. You can see that there is no any footing number 20 here. That means, what is this corresponding? It is footing 50, right? Yes, it is footing 50. So this is, you are supposed to make this as footing 50. For that, it is corresponding is column number 5. Footing 50, column 05. What will be the dimension? It is 1 feet 6 into 1 feet 6. Okay, so then you can see that, just give me a minute, when it comes to the plan, you can see that I have 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 columns are there. Okay, so 23 columns are there. So how many? 1 second, I think there is a mistake here. So let's see. Yes, so totally you have 24, right? I think one is additional, that is footing 64. You can see that how many footings are there. So 4 1 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 12, 12, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so totally we have 23. So it is 24 here. So that means columns, this is actually it is an additional. So I can delete this. Okay, yes, so this is about your this one. So now what we will do, so let us give all borders now. Okay, and let us and let us give this as thick border box. Okay, yes, so now you can get the corresponding diameter of the reinforcement or the number of reinforcement, you get it correspondingly from that given. So I can save these two and I can open corresponding column reinforcements. Okay, so column reinforcement details, if I open, you can see that I can get this corresponding reinforcement. So first is column number 17. Okay, so column number 17, I can consider these four. So column number 17. So where is column number 17? Yes, so diameter number. What else is there? Yeah, only these three we can copy it. So these three. Column number 17. Okay, so after column number 17, the next you have is column number 18. So these three, column number 18. Okay, so the next you have is column number 24, column number 24 here. Then next you have is column number 1, column number 1. Then next you have is column number 3, column number 3. Next column number 16, column number 16, column number 21, column number 21. Okay, so next column number 20, column number 20, column number 4, column number 4, column number 28, column number 28, column number 8, column number 8, column number 10, column number 10, column 11, column 11. Then next you have column number 19, column number 19, 27, 27, 26, column number 26, 25, 25, 5, 5. So 12 and 13. It's together 12 and 13. Column number 2. Column number 2. 6. 6. 7. Okay, so this is how this is the one group. Okay, yes, so this is the complete one set of footing, corresponding column and its reinforcement. So this is the second set of footing, column and reinforcement. So I can give as this all border. Okay, then I can make it to thick border. Okay, so the next you have one more, that is the third group of column, all borders and the corresponding thick border box, right? So then you have another group, a fourth group of footing, thick border box. Then next you have finally last group. So this is how you are supposed to give the reinforcement details together for the beam and columns. Okay, so I hope now everything is understood. So this is how we are supposed to design of the beam and column. Okay, footing and beam. And similarly in this way, this is the final AutoCAD drawing that we are supposed to submit to the contractor before we start the site excavation. Okay, so let us start about the design of the beams in the next video. Thank you, learners.